The crypto industry's hottest item right now might be NFTs. You'll spend at least 70 to 80 ETH looking for the top NFTs to invest in, such as Bored Ape Yacht Club or CryptoPunks. Despite the fact that NFTs are still relatively new to the art world, they're generating a lot of buzz, and collectors are willing to pay more for the best examples. But having so many NFT projects out there makes it almost impossible to have a clear view of potential big new NFT projects. To help clarify the investment landscape, I will discuss my top 7 NFT projects for the rest of the year. Hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another video on my channel, Crypto and NFTs Explained. If you're new here, please subscribe with notifications turned on so you never miss an update on the channel and like our videos. Before we start the video, please know that this is not financial advice in any shape or form. This content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. When needed, please contact a professional. Let's get started with the first NFT project. Number 1. Real Estate Investment Club. If you enjoy games like Grand Theft Auto and Red Dead Redemption, you'll be very interested in this NFT project. The creator of GTA and Red Dead Redemption has created a collection of generative metaverse NFTs called Real Estate Investment Club. But the collection is more sophisticated than it may seem. Beyond the value of the artwork, it's also useful. If you hadn't already guessed from the project's name, the NFTs are your entrance tickets to an exclusive group of people. Your free entry into the REIC, Meta City, and the Digital Asset Property Group, DAPG, will also be provided by the avatars. Number 2. Silks. Silks is a brand new NFT project that is also getting a lot of attention. A blockchain-based metaverse called Silks enables users to own, trade, and earn from thoroughbred racehorses. This fascinating project is based on genuine events, therefore every one of the virtual horses in the game has a real-life counterpart. In the end, this enables metaverse participants to benefit from the real-world horse successes in competition. Silks is a top NFT project that is worth taking into consideration. It's also home to the greatest NFT land projects and the best NFT horse racing projects. Users will be able to buy plots of land and build their own stables to keep their horses in the virtual environment that serves as the foundation for the Silks project. These land plots are notable for being organized as NFTs, which can be bought, sold, and exchanged via the Silks marketplace. Horses are also set up as NFTs, with new pools of horses being minted yearly to correspond with the trade of yearlings in the real world. The racing record and training background of each horse's real-world equivalent will be used to create distinct attributes and characteristics for each in-game version. By rewarding miners that validate data with distributions of the Silks platform's governance token, Silks ensures the accuracy of data. The currency will be essential for voting on platform updates, as the Silks metaverse is administered by a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. Number 3. Pixelmon. The closest comparison to Pokémon would be Pixelmon, which has a similar, entertaining, quirky gaming aesthetic and highly addicting collectible top NFTs. It's simple to get sucked into this play-to-earn metaverse. In the Pixelmon video game universe, you can trade, train, and find other players with your Pixelmons. This new NFT project is one of the most thrilling to arrive on the scene in a while for collectors and gamers. There will be over 100 distinct species in the first NFT generation, named Genesis, and 10,000 will drop overall. Gen 1 eggs will be available for purchase and minting in the Pixelverse, which includes land and a range of housing units which you can buy or rent, when Phase 1 launches in the second quarter of 2022. In order to save costs and reduce the potential of gas wars, Pixelmon adopts a Dutch auction style, starting with a certain set price and then allowing community members to buy NFTs at their preferred prices. Also, this might increase financing and raise the metaverse's general level of quality. Already missing Pokémon? I do! Number 4. Memeland. Memeland is made up of 9,999 NFTs known as Captains. Each Captain, created by the 9gag social media platforms creators, grants you access to a private club, an NFT marketplace, real-world events, and upcoming 9gag projects, among other benefits. The goal of constructing a link between Web 2 and Web 3 communities is to enable creators. A fixed number of meme tokens will eventually be created by Memeland NFTs for a specific period of time, providing captain holders with passive income. You can also earn meme by making content and staking assets, which can be used in the Memeland metaverse. Visit their Discord if you're interested in participating in their pre-sale to enter a raffle for a spot on the meme list, whitelist. Keep an eye on their Twitter for updates as details about its minting price and release date are still pending. Number 5. Otaku Origins. For enthusiasts of anime, Otaku Origins is a must-have and one of the best NFT projects to invest in. Each Otaku NFT is created by a unique algorithm using one of more than 200 exquisite features selected from 8 different categories, each of which affects the value of the NFT. The collectible characters provide NFT holders access to the Otaku DAO and metaverse, which act as platforms for up-and-coming authors and artists and offer a variety of tools for branding, publishing, and marketing. Authors and illustrators can even get funding and use their Otaku NFT character designs in their works of art. Whether such creations are comics, anime, manga, or video games. If you enjoy both anime and cryptocurrency, you really should not miss out on this pairing. One of the best future NFT projects to invest in this year is Otaku Origins. Number 6. Autograph. If you're a fan of sports and celebrities, Autograph might be one of the best NFTs to invest in. Autograph is more of an experience than a project, and Tom Brady helped co-found it. One of the more active new NFT platforms, it primarily focuses on athletes but is soon going to start branching out into the entertainment industry with digital experiences and memorabilia. The Polygon blockchain, which Autograph uses, is built on Ethereum but consumes less energy, resulting in lower gas costs. With partnerships with players like Tiger Woods, Derek Jeter, Naomi Osaka, Usain Bolt, and Wayne Gretzky, its top NFTs have drawn some pretty big names. It's drawn attention from stars outside of sports as well, such as The Weeknd and the Saw horror franchise. Number 7. Crypto Baristas. Do you enjoy coffee as much as you enjoy learning about upcoming NFT projects and cryptocurrency? If so, Crypto Baristas is the ideal project for you and one of the greatest NFTs to invest in purely for the experience. It was initially created by the New York City-based roastery Coffee Bros, which is leveraging their new NFT projects to finance their physical cafe. The top NFT tokens earnings will be used to establish a physical cafe with a focus on art and innovation. It's adorable and caffeinated baristas. 3 new characters will be released each week, for a total of 60 digitally hand-drawn characters in the first season. Top NFT token holders will receive discounts on goods, free coffee from coffee partners, and a stake in the project's future. We've sadly come to an end of the list of the upcoming NFT projects. I hope that you gained a lot of inspiration from those projects. Let me know in the comments what NFT project attracted you the most from the list. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. With that, the video comes to an end. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.